Welcome to Digital Conqueror's Tech Video channel. Today I'm going to review a cool new app for Windows Phone 8 devices that has same functionality as that of popular Flipboard app. What Flipboard does is convert the content you want to read into cool magazine style look and makes it more enjoyable and readable. Flipboard is a great app on Android and iOS platforms, but haven't seen its release on Windows Phone operating system yet. So if you're looking for an alternative to Flipboard, there is this new app called FlipMag that you can use. With the FlipMag, you can exactly do the same thing with popular content sources online and even for the custom content as well. FlipMag is still in its beta testing, so make sure when you use this app, give this amazing app developer some great inputs for future updates. So this is the FlipMag app. You can customize the content based on these major categories. I'm selecting tech, gaming and cinema as my own interests. Okay, now this is the first time loading of the app, and as you can see, it started updating the app to find its latest content. You can also use on-screen update button later on. It took about 30 to 40 seconds on my Wi-Fi connection to load all these news from my favorite categories, which is decent speed. The app is looking great overall, and if you scroll through, you can find content divided as you can see here with tech, gaming and the rest. Let's take a look at one of the categories. Okay, so this is really cool scrolling view that moves along when you browse through the article. It takes little time to load the thumbnails, but it's well worth it. If you go into one of the articles, when you move to next page, you get this flip effect that looks very appealing. It renders the in-between flip images quickly, so the transition looks really smooth. Additionally, you can pin and resize the content just as you do in your Windows Phone 8. So it brings the native experience of Windows Phone 8 to the FlipMag. You can also add custom content using this Add Content button. And after that, you have to click on this Custom button. And then Add Source. Make sure you enter the feed address of any of your favorite website here. I'm trying to add my blog digitalconqueror.com now. As you can see here, the icon is still grey, and if you click on it, no articles are auto updated yet. So let's go out and click this update button here. Okay, now it's updating. Now that the content is loaded, you can check these latest articles from my blog in the FlipMag style. If you read some of the articles and log back into the app, it shows the read articles little blurred out. So you can use this feature to find which articles are pending for reading. Let's check this function again. Now I'm clicking this unread article to read it, and if I come back now, it's blurred out, so it works perfectly. Last thing I wanted to show you is this Windows Phone 8 application bar for FlipMag. You can share the article, mark it as unread if you want, and check out the flip view or web view of any article. There is a slight problem I experienced with FlipMag is when the app is totally closed, and sometimes when I start it back, it just forgets the settings and favorites I have already done, and I have to do the whole thing all over again. But I'm sure this basic thing will be fixed in upcoming updates as this app is still in its beta test. So that's the complete app if you're looking for a Flipboard alternative on Windows Phone platform, and this is definitely the best one available out there. I rate this app 4.5 for an elegant experience on my Windows Phone 8 device. If you enjoyed this video, please hit a like button, and for future updates and app reviews, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.